Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create schedules for Levoit Oasis Mist Smart Humidifier. To do this, first we'll need to open the VSync app. Inside, in the bottom left corner, you can find the schedule. Click on it, then select the plus button in the top right corner of the screen. And right here you can set a different schedule for a certain time. Then repeat once or weekly. If you select weekly, you can set different days for when this schedule will work. We can switch the behavior for the device, so turn the device on and off with that schedule. When you set it to on, you can switch mode to manual or auto. You can adjust the warm level, or in manual you can adjust the mist level and warm level as well. And there's also display that we can activate or deactivate. That means it will enable or disable LED lamps on the display of this device. After that, we can click on OK, and that way we created a new schedule for this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.